Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing can begin. Turn the Microsoft mouse on and verify fresh batteries. A blinking LED means pairing mode. On your Dell laptop, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and switch Bluetooth on. This exposes your adapter to new devices. Once done, make sure the mouse stays in pairing mode while you continue. If the mouse has a USB dongle, plug it into an available USB-A or USB-C adapter before moving to the next step. Now you'll pair and install drivers. In Bluetooth and Devices, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Windows will scan and list the Microsoft mouse. You should see the device name, select it, then accept any prompts to pair. Windows will automatically download and install drivers. This can take a few seconds to a minute. Make sure the laptop remains awake and the mouse stays nearby. Once Windows reports connected, test basic movement and a button click to verify the link and driver installation completed successfully. Finish by confirming settings and addressing common problems. Open mouse settings to adjust pointer speed and check battery level in Bluetooth device details. If the mouse won't connect, reboot the laptop and reattempt pairing. Alternatively, plug the Microsoft USB receiver into a different port or use an adapter for USB-C. If you see drops or lag, update the Bluetooth driver in Device Manager. Outdated drivers often cause instability. One quick troubleshooting tip: remove the device from Bluetooth and pair again. This resets profiles and often fixes stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.